Your head always hurts when you read the book reviews. What is it this time? Historical fiction disguised as presidential autobiography?
Freud's influence on the size and shape of baguettes.
You okay? How's your article?
What article?
The article you've been reading.
I've just been holding it here.
What for? I think we should go to a doctor.
No.
I think you have a fever.
No, too expensive.
We'll go to county then.
And wait 50 years just so they can give us aspirin?
No.
You've been rushing all day now. You've got a headache. I'm Joan Fontaine. When the daily pressures of being a woman bring on headache pain, take Buswell. More effective than simple aspirin without adding a lot of other drugs to your bloodstream. Simple aspirin tablets use almost half their pure pain reliever before they ever get to work. Buswell rushes almost twice as much of this pure pain into your headache. Take Buswell. I do.
I bet all that shit's in the water by now. Medication that causes loose stool and vertigo.
I am Stanley Mosk, Attorney General of the State of California. There is no one cause for juvenile delinquency, and therefore there is no one cure for juvenile delinquency. The elements that
Lame.
Wait,
what?
I want to watch
Okay.
threefold. First, loving parents. Secondly, intelligent teachers. And thirdly, a wholesome environment in which the
You know, I used to think about going to law school, doing some high profile stuff, and then running for Congress, and then becoming president, and then gathering all the people together, you know, rallying them to abolish government.
Like staging a revolution from the inside. I didn't know you ever were into stuff like that.
It's like, be the change you want to see. Stupid us, we all thought we could just vote for this youngish, handsome black guy and something different would happen. Maybe I'm starting to see through all that now. It's like, why even vote? Everything's broken.
If you would just let me take you to the doctor.
That's it. If you're not gonna go to the doctor, I'm gonna call my brother.
Oh, Kentucky Fried Corpse in here.
She's in there.
I'm worried about her. She said she wants to go to law school and become president.
Wow, Cleo did? Shit, when did this start?
I don't know, this morning.
Jesus, her head looks like a baked potato.
Well, can you help? I mean, it's probably just the flu.
Could be. There's some gnarly stuff going around.
I've never seen one quite like this.
Have you tried holding her head under water?
Okay. You go fill up the tub and come back in here and help me get her in.
Yeah, I think I've seen this once before.
What is it?
I hate to say this, but spontaneous combustion is a real thing, you know? But the good news is a lot of times the person doesn't actually explode.
What's it caused by?
Stress, for one.
Cleo has been under a lot of stress at work lately.
Isn't she a yoga instructor?
What else is it caused by?
Diet?
She has been eating a lot of tuna fish lately.
And the lack of something. Some vitamin B.
I'll have to look into that.
All right, let's do this.
Dance and yoga and all of that just feeds complacency. It's like, here's a little bit of relaxation. Time to be in your body rather than in your head. Because if you actually bother to think, you see how... I just had the craziest dream.
What's 4 times 4?
What?
State capital.
Sacramento.
Political leanings.
What?
Oh, yes.
Go.